Hey guys and girls, so here's a real quick video on installing pipe insulation. You might have seen at the stores they actually sell pre-made elbows for this. Up here in Canada, this length of pipe, this is for 3/4 inch, and it's the self-sealing type. It was $3.50, and then just a standard 90-degree elbow for it was $4.50, just for that little piece. And what I'm going to show you here is you don't need this. So I've actually cut, these are ends that I've cut off with just a standard hacksaw with a fine tooth blade, like a metal blade. And basically all you have to do is orientate this the way you want it, whether you want it cut on this side, or whatever. And basically you throw it in a miter jig or miter box, push it against this side because that's the way that the saw cuts, and it makes super smooth cuts. Like there's hardly any jaggedness to that, and it's super straight. It's a 45-degree angle. I'll show you what I've done over here. So I've got this piece on the bottom's actually taped in there right now, and there were some fittings just like this here. So that's why I put a little bit of tape around it so that it actually kind of holds it in place. I didn't want that tape to let loose because it is wider than obviously the 3/4 inch there. But this piece right here I haven't actually put in place yet. But you can see it is not 100%, but it's like 90-something%. You can see, like, it's nice. And chances are you guys at home actually have the tools around, so you don't actually have to go out and buy anything. So basically I'm going to pull this tape right here, pull it from one side, pull it from the other, you clamp it down. I'm going to add a little bit of tape around this shutoff here because it's obviously wider than 3/4 inch pipe, and it's just going to keep this water pipe and the actual water meter from sweating. You can see right here, like that's just the pipe sweating. You can actually see that there's a drop right there. You can see that the concrete's a little discolored around here because that's what it does. It gets too humid in here. You know, the return air is only taking out so much air and circulating so much in my shop that it just causes it to sweat. So I figured, you know, it's about time. May as well insulate this thing and make a video about it, try to help some other people out. It was never done originally, but I added this support in. It's actually building code. It's been building code for a while, but back in 1979 it wasn't. So now my meter is supported, and what was actually happening is to shut this off, you would basically shut it off that way, and it was actually moving the entire water meter, and it was actually leaking from in here, and I couldn't figure it out for the life of me. I thought maybe it was just excess sweating because it's just getting into the humid months now, but it was actually that whole water meter base moving, and just enough that it was starting to leak. As you can see now, no leaks. I've got this 2x4 contraption in here now. Everything's supported. It's tight underneath, and then I got the 4 Tapcons in the bottom, so it's not moving anywhere. And hopefully this solves a lot of my water sweating and leaking issues. So you can see I've got that piece in there. Say hey to Bubs. And I'm going to basically insulate this whole stretch through here. It's kind of hard to see, but it's actually wet, and it's got some dust that's sticking to it too. So yeah, just a helpful video for you guys and girls out there. Try to get some pipe insulating done. It's not as crucial on cold pipes for energy efficiency, obviously, but it will keep it from sweating. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, thumbs down. Leave some comments down below. Hit that subscribe button, and I'm adding new content all the time. Until the next video, take it easy.